robbery or something like that, because nowadays people are being robbed. I think you know that. That these guys, they have biodigesters, biodigesters. So they were showing me, and as you can see, some of you guys were saying last time, you know, we need a house where we'll be having privacy. So it's actually closed. It's closed off. The other family will be, yes, people of the internet. Yes, it's your guide here. I will show you the nice places in Harare. And right now, I have got this beautiful house. These are also clusters, and you know, some of you guys, I know you've been saying, you know, personal privacy. These ones, you'll be having your privacy. They are not yet finished, but I want you to see what it looks like. Okay, now we have this. That's how I wanted this design. Look at that. So to you guys who are saying, sure, privacy, look at that. These ones, they've got demarcations, so you'll be having all the privacy that you want. Okay, so let's go and let's check it inside. So guys, as you can see, this is the entrance. You can see what we have here. Okay, and this is the entrance. So when you get in, we have this door. This one will take us to the garage. So we've got a double garage. I think you might have seen that. We've got a garage where you can put the cars, yours and mine is, you understand? And then we've got this guest toilet. So you've got the bed basin here and the toilet here. So these ones are for the guests. Okay, so we've got this bedroom here. This is bedroom number 1. As you can see, so you'll be seeing outside there, and we've got some nice cabinets and a beautiful light there. And this is the outside. Now this is bedroom number 1. So we've got 2 bedrooms down here, and we have another bedroom here. So this one is a bedroom, and we have this toilet. It has got the tub and the shower, and also a hand basin and a toilet. And then we have this one as well. This is another bedroom. As you can see, we have a nice light there and some nice cabinets. Now this one is the lounge. So we have the lounge. It's an open plan. So as you can see, we've got the lounge here, and we've got some stairs so that we can go to the other bedrooms up there. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. We've got this island here, which has got this stove, gas stove and electric stove. And we've got some very nice cabinets here. And these cabinets, they do not have handles. That's the beauty of these ones. No handles. And it was done in high gloss gray. This is what we have here. Okay, so this one is an open plan. We've got the kitchen here, and we've got some stairs to go up there. Now this one is the lounge. You'll be having your Wi-Fi, you'll be having everything, and this one is the main entrance. So this one is the front of the house. This is the front of the house, and as you can see, some of you guys were saying last time, you know, we need a house where we'll be having privacy. So it's actually closed. It's closed off. The other family will be there, so you won't be able to see each other. So as you can see, this is what we have here. You can see on the outside here, you've got your garden. You've got your garden. So the interesting thing about this place as well is that these guys, they have biodigesters. Biodigesters. So they were showing me, and as you can see, we have some avocado here and a mango there. And I think those are oranges. So we've got these tanks here. So they were telling me that they've got biodigesters. So it's quite interesting. So this is the house from this side. And we also have a quarters here for the staff or your maid or something like that. So you can be here, you can be putting your stuff here, you can be having a sink somewhere there, and you'll be having you can do your laundry here, and your maid or your staff can be here, so she can be staying here. So this one, they said it's actually a maid's quarters or a helper's quarters or a staff quarters or something like that. They've got their own shower here, and the toilet, so it's en suite, so well secured. So this, as you can see, is like at the back of the house, so it's not like when you have them there, they will be seeing or knowing everything that is happening on that side. So as you can see, this one is actually closed, the other unit is there, so this is closed, so you are not going to be worried about privacy. As you can see as well here, it's actually closed as well. Okay, so this is the front. This is the front of the house. Now let's go upstairs. Upstairs. Okay, yes. Guys, when I showed you the other bedroom, so we said we've got bedrooms that side, one bedroom there, and then another here. Now this one is the main bedroom. Okay, this is the main bedroom. So when you get in here, we've got an ensuite and a very beautiful, this one is a modern tub, as you can see. And also, as you can see, we've got this nice shower here. And this thing, we have it as well. Then this is the main bedroom, as you can see here. We've got a beautiful chandelier there. And this one is a cupboard. They are still working on it, so you don't have to worry about this one. But this is the closet. This is the closet for the main bedroom. So this is the view that you'll be having when you are here. So it's going to be very green there. Obviously, you guys. It's going to be very green. So this is your main bedroom. So far, we now have 3 bedrooms. Now, we are going to be going up there. So it's like we've got 5 bedrooms. So we have other bedrooms when you go this side. So this is what we are having. So can you see this side as well? I love this one because it's unique. This space here, you can make it another lounge. Okay, it can be a lounge, you can be putting your TV there. So as you can see, this is the roof. This is the roof. So they decided not to waste some space. So they had to figure out something that they could do with this one. So when you are here, it's like a balcony. When you're standing here, you'll be having your everything there because that's the lounge. Okay? And you'll be on the same level with the chandelier. Now we have a bedroom again this side. This one is the other bedroom. So as you can see this is beautiful, eh? Wow. This is beautiful. This is outside. So as you can see, this shape is because of the shape of the building. So this one is actually the roof. Okay, so this one is the roof. And we've got some nice cabinets there. So you can be having a bed here, or you can just arrange it in any way you want. So this one is got an ensuite as well. So as you can see, we have a shower here, and we have this. So this one is not a light that's coming from electricity or something like that. They were telling me that this is natural light. This is actually coming from the sun. I don't know what they did here, but it's actually coming from the sun. Like I said, this is the roof. So instead of just having a very big space for the roof, they had to figure out something that they could do. So this is what we have here, guys. It's a beautiful house, this one. If you want to get it, House of Stone Properties. I think now you know. House of Stone Properties. The numbers that are in the description and also in the comments. Okay, you check that and then you'll be able to see what is happening. So there is the kitchen. I think I've shown you before, but I think if I come back again and show you as well, this one is the extractor fan. I'm loving this one. I would like to hear what you guys think about this one, but these are for sale. So as you can see, guys, this place is actually a gated community, so you are safe here. Like I always tell you, it's good to stay in places where you can just park your car and you know, even leave your things, you know that your house, there's not going to be any, you know, all those issues, robbery or something like that, because nowadays people are being robbed. I think you know that. So here we've got that one is a security house, security room. So if you're getting in there, obviously people will be vetted for them to come inside. And we have got this one as well. This one, they were telling me that they are going to be putting, I think it's a gazebo, and this space here, we are going to be having a swimming pool. So for this whole compound, this whole place, as you can see, we've got units there and then another unit there. So it's like there's going to be a place for entertainment. We are going to have a gym. We are also going to have a swimming pool and also a clubhouse. So it's somewhere on that side. So I'm going to be showing you where it's going to be, and also I will show you the other bedroom, the other units which are not yet finished. And these ones, they are not like this one that I showed you, because this one has got 5 bedrooms, right? 5 bedrooms. So this one has got 3 bedrooms. So let me go and show you now. So as you can see, there is enough water. You can see all these tanks here, and all these tanks, they are for each and every unit here. So they've got a borehole, so you're good. They've got a borehole, and they make sure that the tanks are always full. And as you can see, this is another unit that is not yet finished, and then there is another unit there. So guys, I want to show you the one that has got 3 bedrooms in this community. So as you can see, that one over there, it has got the same plan with this one. So that one, as you can see, there's a gate there. So the owners, they've already bought the house and they are staying there. So obviously we can't get in their house, you know, and show you. So you are supposed to come and buy this one so that you'll be able to get inside this one. So what I will do, I will show you this as well. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, we've got a roof that's very high. It has got a, you know, this one is an open plan. So we've got the stairs, and these stairs will take you to the main bedroom and also that pajama lounge there. And we've got other bedrooms here. So we've got the toilet here, and a bedroom here, and another bedroom here. So this one has got 3 bedrooms. So it's the same as the one that I showed you, but you know, actually someone actually bought it and they are already staying there. So between this house and the other house that I showed you, that side, that's where we have the clubhouse. So look at that. From this side, that's the other house. So this is where we are going to be having the clubhouse here. And like I said, that house, it is exactly the same as this one. But you know, the owners are already in, they already moved in. So if you want to get it, you can get it. So all this has been made possible by House of Stone Properties. So you can connect with Leonita or Nigel or all the other people that are listed on the description or the caption of this video. Make sure you connect with them and get yourself one. Even if you don't get yourself, get it for your mother. I always say this, you know, buy it for your mother, buy it for your sister, you know. So I will see you guys in the next video.